Hello, and welcome to another episode of English with Tammy. I'm here to help you on your English learning journey. Let's jump in. Unlock English: 5 fun and easy tips for beginners. Speak from day one, don't wait for perfect grammar. Find a language exchange partner online or practice speaking with yourself. Even simple conversations build confidence and fluency. Make it fun and relevant, learn words and phrases you'll use daily. Instead of memorizing random vocabulary, focus on greetings, introductions, talking about hobbies, or describing your surroundings. Turn everyday activities into learning, surround yourself with English. Listen to music, singing along is great, watch movies, shows with subtitles, gradually wean off them, or change your phone settings to English. Embrace interactive learning, learning shouldn't feel like a chore. Use apps and websites with games, quizzes, and interactive stories to make practicing reading, listening, and speaking enjoyable. Celebrate small wins, learning a language takes time. Be proud of yourself for mastering a new phrase or understanding a simple song lyric. Every step forward is a win.